Watch this full series at the links in the description below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch new mental health videos every week. What do you want people listening to this and watching this to understand about people who are suicidal and people who die by suicide?
I think the most important thing to understand is that at the root of it, at the real base of it, people don't want to die. We all have this survival instinct. We all have this innate will to survive, and we all understand, I think at the root of it, the beauty of life. But the brain lies to you. When you're in so much pain, your brain lies to you and tells you that there is no other way out but death.
Right, right.
And when we can understand that, and when we can give people that understanding and that connection to what they're experiencing, that's a lifeline.
I just got it when you said it. I was pretending to get it until you just said that, that the brain lies to you. I didn't get that. I didn't think of it that way. Anybody can understand that. That's so great that you said that.
And that's what mental illness does, right? Our brain takes on this life of its own that's beyond who we are. You know, that's what a disease does in our body, right? Right. And we've labeled it as like cognitive distortions and all these things and but it's just a lie. Your brain is lying to you when you feel that way. That's so good. Simple, clear, and good. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below for more information on how to access this full series, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch new mental health videos every week. Did you like what you heard in this video? If you want to ask a MedCircle doctor a question directly, you can learn how by visiting the links in the description below.